Well, welcome to this informational video for the Waterline project on Albany Street, Peachtree Place, and Gaddis Street. My name is Kasim Azar. I am the principal engineer and project representative for the City of Durham Water Management.
I'm Jeremy Farlow, Construction Project Administrator for the City of Durham Water Management.
Crytech Engineering Group is the engineer of record for the project. From Crytech, we have Jerome Mares as the client manager and Peoria McDougall as the project manager. Summit Design and Engineering Services was subcontracted to perform the geotechnical investigation, and Witherill Engineering was subcontracted to perform the surveying service. Their contacts are listed on the screen. The purpose of this project is to replace the aging infrastructure, improve the safety, redundancy, and reliability of the current water system. The project will be replacing water lines in 3 areas: Albany Street, Peachtree Place, and Gattis Street. We will provide more details on the improvements on each street in the next slides. For Albany Street, the project limits are highlighted by a red box. Approximately 247 linear feet of 8-inch water line will be installed between Sovner Street and I-85. Work will include the abandonment and removal of the existing water lines and reconnection of the existing services in the area. Peachtree Place project limits are highlighted by a red box. Approximately 620 linear feet of 8-inch water line will be installed on Peachtree Place between Holloway Street and Liberty Street. Approximately 65 linear feet of 16-inch water line will be installed on Liberty Street between North Dillard Street and Peachtree Place. Approximately 100 linear feet of 12-inch water line will be installed on Holloway Street between North Dillard Street and Peachtree Place. Work will include the abandonment and removal of the existing water line and reconnection to the existing services in the area. Gaddis Street project limits are highlighted by a red box. Approximately 380 linear feet of 8-inch water line will be installed on Gaddis Street and in an undeveloped right-of-way between Rome Avenue and Gaddis Street. The new water line will connect to an existing water line on Rome Avenue. Work will include the abandonment and removal of the existing water lines and reconnection of the existing services in the area. The construction project was advertised for bid in November of 2024. TerraFlex Group was awarded the contract in March of 2025. We anticipate construction to begin in April 2025, with construction completing in October 2025. What should you expect as the project progresses? First, there will be a notification via the project website and email as work gets closer to beginning. Then you will see paint on the ground designating the existing underground utilities in the area. Following, traffic control signage to prepare for work to begin. A 7-day notification will be distributed to properties within the project limits prior to the contractor beginning work in a specific area. Once the notification period is up, construction will begin by site according to the schedule. What to expect during construction. During construction, you can expect temporary road and lane closures, truck and heavy equipment entering the project areas, replacement of water meters if it's not up to the current city standards. Contractors will be limited to work within the right-of-way. You may see temporary asphalt repairs until the road is ready to be paved. There also may be sidewalk closure due to construction. It is our goal to make this project as low impact as possible, but the key area of impacts will be road and sidewalk closures along the following streets. The North Dillard and Holloway Street intersection will require a temporary road closure for system connections tie-ins. This work is proposed to be performed at night to limit traffic disruption. Liberty Street and Peachtree Place will have temporary lane and sidewalk closures. Gattis Street will also experience temporary lane closures.
Lead and copper rule for water services. City-owned side of the water service. The city owns and maintains the portion of the water service line from the water main to the water meter. The city-owned service will be replaced during construction up to the new meter in locations where the water main is replaced. The contractor will verify existing water material and report to the city for record. Customer-owned side of the water service. The customer is responsible for the portion of the service from the meter to the building. A right of entry will be requested for inspections on private property. The contractor will verify the existing material within the test pit that is 4 foot away from the meter or inside the basement or crawl space. Material will be recorded by the city and the customer will be notified of what the findings are.
You can stay informed on this project by following the City of Durham Water Management on Facebook. You can also visit the project webpage at www.durhamwaterproject.org or simply scan the QR code on the screen. You can sign up on the project webpage to receive bi-weekly emails once construction begins. There will be a full-time on-site construction observer present to answer any questions. You can also reach out to the project contacts listed on the webpage for more information. And this concludes our presentation.